How to split video in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to split the video in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So first of all, you have to open up the application in your Android device, and after that you have to add a clip on your YT Create application. You have to tap on that plus icon, and after that you can select your desired video to that you want to split. And let me create the blank clip here, and I can change the blank clip color also from by tapping on the color. And you can see if I tap on the black, now you can see that this clip is 5 seconds clip. And if I want to split this clip, I can just simply tap on this split icon. You can see in the bottom of the screen, so I can just tap on the split icon, and you can see now this and this, there is two parts created by tapping on the split option. So this is how you can split your video in your Android device. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.